Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't be missed. Because as you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit from very easily. So today's project name is BYD The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register and sign up an account in this website. For two type of registration method here is given: register by your email and the register by your phone number. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register your account through your email. So first of all, you have to put your email ID, then you have to set a login password. You can set a login password which is easy to remember in this website. Then you have to put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box. So for register by your phone number, first of all select your country code. After selecting country code, put your phone number and just click on the sign up now, and your account will be signed up in this website. You can select the language, your own option. Different types of language option here is given, and I have selected English as my preferred language. And you can also contact them on their online customer services. They will be available on the Telegram services on 24/7 for helping you out if you have any problem regarding this website. So viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the sign in option, for which I am using the email login option, for which I have to put my email and the password that I have set in the registration procedure earlier. And here you can see I have put my information here. Now I have to just click on the sign in. Now my account will be signed in this website, and here you can see I successfully signed an account in this website. And the announcement panel here is given: BYD latest investment projects is now open to the individual user. Anyone can participate in the BYD investment at any time, 24 hours a day. Funds are monitored and managed well by the Forgo. Two, they solemnly promise that this platform will never be closed. Latest investment project is recruiting investment partner around the world, and everyone can fix the amount. And there are all the type of link here is given, and you can check all the information here is saved in the announcement panel. You can check informations and different types of interesting option, like here is given recharge with the app download option. Here is given you can download their app by just clicking on the download app. Just click on the download anyway, and their app will be downloaded here. And you can check the company profile. In the company profile, BYD latest investment project is now open to the individual user, and you can check all the information is saved in the company detail. Here is given for recharging this website account. Just click on the recharge option, and after that you have to copy this available address, or you can scan this QR code which will be given here, and put your TRX USDT address, then bind the address that you have copied, then put the amount that you want to transact. Just click on the continue option and confirm the transaction procedure. After confirming the transaction, confirm the transaction. After confirming the transaction, you have to go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete. Your account will be recharged in 1 to 3 minutes after the recharging. And you can also withdraw your earned commission from this website after completing your task. Task reset countdown is for the 24-hour task. All here is given. You can see I am currently working on their order commission 1, for which order commission is 3 USD, for 2 is 18, and up to the 9 level here is given, 10 level here is given for investing your for investing your money in this website. Platform introduction video here is given on the YouTube. You can check the platform introduction video, and you can check all the information of this website will be given to you in the membership list. You can see their member are getting live commission, and you can also share this video, download this video, and playback speed adjust according to your team. And in the membership list, you can see their member getting a live commission, earning a lot of commission from this website here. And you can check all the information about this website will be saved to you in the task list. You will get your all the type of task, all task for today, 2 days remaining task in progress task will show here. When you complete your task, it will show in the completed task, all task for today, 2 days remaining task reset countdown. And you can you have to just click on the to complete, and your once your target is completed and your task is completed, you will be awarded with different types of reward. And I have completed my task here, for which income is 3 USD, price is for the 10 USD, and complete time here is showing here. And after 24 hours I will get my commission against in the team. You can copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with your family and friends, and ask them to join this website through your code and link. More member will join this website. You will get the different types of reward, and your team will be built on the level 1, level 2 and level 3. For the level 1, commission percentage is 11%, for the level 2 is 5%, for the level 3 is 2% commission will be given to you. This session valid on all type of team detail will show up like the team size, team chart, team withdraw, new team, first time recharge and the first time withdraw. In the VIP area, you will get the supplementary brief for their each level. For example, for the BYD1, for which daily task is 1, simple interest is 3 USD, daily profit is 3, the total profit you can get is 5 USD by just investing 10 USD. For BYD second, you have to just click on the unlock log, confirm the transaction of 70 USD from your wallet, and after that you can unlock any of their level, and their highest paid level here is given, for which daily task is similarly 1, but the simple interest is 12,028 USD. And invest your money just 30,070 USD in this website, and you can earn a lot of commission, generate a lot of commission from their investment in their different types of cards in the digital currency. In the me option, you will get your email on which you have registered your account, your total balance detail, your recharge amount in this website. Recharge account details will contain your basic account and the withdrawal account information. Here you can see, after completing my task, I have generated 3 USD from this website. Financial records will contain the basic account and the withdrawal account information will be saved here, and you can also transfer your withdrawal amount to your basic account for getting there another task, another level to be unclosed and unlocked, and you have to just put the conversion amount, then put your password and confirm, and your money will be transferred to your basic account. And you can also change your password by putting the old password, then set a new password, enter the password and confirm. Your password will be modified. Here you can also sign out this website application from your mobile if you want to. In the notification level, you will get all your notification, and your online customer services here is given on the Telegram. They will be available 24/7 for helping you out. And language option here is given for withdrawing your money. Go back to the home page, and after that you have to just click on the withdrawal option, then put the amount which is available for the withdrawal, then put your Tron address, go back to the wallet which are using in your mobile, click on the receive in the USDT and copy this your address here of your USDT TRC20 network address, and just bind the address that you have copied, then put your password, and then you have to just put your password here that you have binded in your sign in options. And here you can see I have put my wallet all the information, and can click on the confirm option, and here you can see I have successfully applied for the withdrawal. When I get my commission, I will show my balance details. And here you can see I have received 3 USD just immediately withdrawing my money from this website account. I hope this video gives you a lot of information about investing money. Earning commission is time to go. Goodbye.